Morning everyone and welcome to this morning's assembly. Finn and Harry here. Do you want to give a quick wave to the camera? Finn's got his penguin, Harry's here as well. There's the penguin. So we're here today to talk a little bit about respect. Apologies yesterday, the assembly got on late. I struggled to get it onto YouTube. We got there in the end. But hopefully you had a great day, enjoyed the assembly. Please watch it again, there's lots of activities to do in that assembly for you to have a go at. The PowerPoint again today is in the usual place for our assembly today, which is going to be all about respect and how we give it and how we can receive respect as well. So it's something we've touched on before, but we're going to talk a little bit more about it. There is a really good video. If you go onto YouTube, type in Sesame Street respect, word on the street, and it's talking to lots of people about what their thoughts are about respect. That's a really, really good video there for you to watch. So you can watch it at this point or at any point during this video here. So what is respect? Boys, what is respect for you? What is respect? What does it mean?
I like being kind and using your manners.
Using your manners, okay, that's respectful to use your manners. Being caring, we like kind and caring. Anything else? What about with your friends and the people you talk to?
Listen to people.
Good, listen to people. Well done, Finn and Harry. Yeah, listening to people. So it's about caring again and listening to people. About showing respect to each other. Okay, is there anything else we can respect besides people? What else could we respect, boys?
Animals.
Animals, that'd be nice. Yeah, we can respect animals. Anything else? Our dogs and our rabbits, that'd be lovely, yeah. Then we can respect the world around us, can't we? We can look after our world around us as well. So, but respecting each other, we can treat others the way we want to be treated. And we can be thoughtful about how people are feeling. And we can look out for each other and the property and everything around us. We can look after our houses, the people in our houses, and look after everything around. And one of our school rules when we are back at school is to look after each other, to listen to each other, and also to respect our school building as well. So they are key rules in our Good to Be Green system. So respect is very important in school to us. Harry, next slide please. So who should we respect? At this point, by the way, you might want to think of people who you think that your children think they should respect in the world. Who should they respect? Boys, who you said before, I was speaking to you about respect before, who did you say you should respect?
Everyone.
Everyone, Harry said before, and that is important. I've got some people on here that yes, we should respect, but actually we should respect every single person. So the children might come up with people like surgeons and doctors and teachers and police officers, but they should also respect you as parents. They should respect everybody in any place of work. Doing whatever job they are doing, they should show respect, and it's important that we respect everybody in our world, because everybody is as important in every single workplace, in every part of the world. Everyone is just important, because without everybody the world just wouldn't work. So yes, there's lots of people here that I've put on here that we should respect: policemen, teachers, doctors, parents, but we should respect everybody wherever they are in the world. So, I've put some pictures on here, and this is just for you to have a bit of thought about what does being respectful look like, and some pictures that might help you, especially with younger children, to think about respect. So there's two people who are listening to each other, there's friends who are being nice to each other. Remember, we can't hug at the moment, but friends being nice to each other there. And we've got down here people being helpful to each other, which is also a sign of respect, and talking to each other in a respectful way. Okay, so we need to think when we're talking to people and when we're talking to our friends and the people around how we are doing that. We won't like it if somebody hits us or hurts us or shouts at us or calls us names and does that sort of thing. That is not showing respect. That is being disrespectful to people. So we need to think about the way we are speaking to people, the way we are dealing with people, and we need to not do these things, because you wouldn't like it if people were doing these things, shouting at you and doing disrespectful things to you. So it's important that we are respectful to each other and not disrespectful, because if we are respectful to each other, then we will get respect in return. So treat others the way you would like to be treated. Help people who need it. Listen to your friends. Hold the door open for somebody. We can do when we're back at school, not at the moment, but do nice things for people. Smile at somebody. So if you are walking, and obviously you're walking past people who are 2 metres away, who are away from you, but give them a smile. Say good morning to them. I know it's a difficult time, but we can still speak to people who we are passing when we're walking around and say good morning to them. That'll make people happy. And just be nice to people in general. So be respectful to our world, be respectful to our animals, be respectful to different people, smile at each other and be happy. And at the end there, now we've got the Sesame Street Respect video, and I've got a link to that, and also a link to a song, and it's just Respect by Kelly Clarkson, who sings there. So you might want to listen to that, have a bit of a dance if you want, that's absolutely fine. So there's a link to a video there, and also Word on the Street, Sesame Street Respect there as well. So you can go onto that video. Have a great day, respect each other, smile and be happy. We will see you tomorrow. Boys, do you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank you.
See you soon.